Sarus Crane. Wow, I can't believe I am so close to this bird. It has been a dream. Such a beautiful bird. Largest flying bird. It's an awesome feeling. I'm sitting on a there are two of them. I'm sitting inside in a cultivated field near the lake. These two cranes are grazing at the lake shore. I've come here with Kanhaiya Udapure from Gondia. He has been kind and gracious enough to accompany me here and bring me here and show me this beautiful bird. We also rescued a little cormorant today. It had got entangled itself on a fishing net inside a small pond, and we rescued it. It was so afraid, it was trying to bite me. So beautiful, so beautiful. What a beautiful sight.